Hello everybody and welcome to Huawei's Expert Talk Series 2021. My name is Heino and I'm guiding you through this expert series about the mobile communication antenna trends, including new solutions and also innovations. Today we are in the European Antenna Competence Center of Huawei here in Munich, and my first expert to discuss with is Stefan Feuchtinger. Stefan is the Vice President of the Research Center. Hello Stefan, thanks for being here.
Hello Heino.
As we are stepping into the second wave of the 5G deployment, network operators are not only focused to the coverage, but more than ever before also looking into the network performance and antenna innovations needed to maximize mobile infrastructure efficiency. So, Stefan, could you share with us your view regarding necessary antenna solutions and industry trends in the future?
For sure. To me, the most important solution is the Blade AEU Pro. It's a solution that allows to reuse the top spot on an antenna tower with a passive antenna for 4G, while reusing the same spot with the active 5G AEU put on back of the passive antenna in a way that it radiates through the passive antenna. So we merge passive and active, we merge 4G and 5G in a single antenna slot. And it looks like one unique solution.
That really sounds like a miracle, Stefan.
It is kind of.
Okay.
Also, what I think is quite important is the trend to go from 2T4R in the low band to 44R, and similarly from 44R to 88R in the high band, which will provide substantially more capacity to the legacy bands. And the third trend I would like to mention here is SDA, Software Defined Antenna, a solution that we developed that allows us to dynamically switch an antenna configuration from a 6-sector site with 4T, which typically used in 4G, to a 3-sector site with 8T, which is usually used then in a 5G scenario. So we can dynamically switch from a configuration optimized for 4G to 5G without having to replace the antenna, so making the installation future-proof.
Talking about mobile infrastructure efficiency and a little bit more specific about the antenna efficiency. Stefan, could you give us a hint about Huawei's solution meeting those requirements and challenges?
I think the most important technology that we have developed here is subsumized with the term SDIF. It's a solution that allows us to reduce the insertion loss inside the antenna, and we can use that either for having more gain, more capacity in the network, or maintain existing levels while reducing the transmit power and the energy consumption. Also, this is a solution that will help us to further reduce weight, and there is more Q to that.
Well, besides of the SDIF technology, Stefan, are there more technologies which are used in your advanced antenna solutions?
Of course, there is a bunch of technologies that are developed and evolved in our research teams to push forward antennas in the future. What I can mention here is, for example, the use of MQ4, MQ5 connectors, which enables us to reduce the number of connection faults at site. What I can mention here is the use of metasurfaces for a number of different applications that all help to improve antenna performance, shrinking the size and reducing the weight of the antennas. We invent a number of technologies to reduce the wind load of the antennas, which is one of the key factors to keep the costs down when upgrading sites. And last but not least, PIM performance is an ever-going issue, so we continue to invest and research in ways how to reduce PIM already from the bottom, from design, so that the antennas are really future-proof.
Well, thank you very much, Stefan. I think it was really interesting. So both passive and active antennas basically should pursue all-in-one architecture, as far as I understood, extreme simplicity and high efficiency for the 5G-centric deployment, right? So these will provide value to the operators, like optimal network performance, OPEX reduction, and energy saving. And I would like to thank you very much for giving us an insight in the Huawei innovation solution, basically. And in our next expert talk, we are going to dig a little bit deeper into those kind of technologies and solutions. And we are looking forward to see you again. Stay tuned.